What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Resell back at it again with another video for y'all. Today we got an unboxing on another pair of sneakers. If y'all seen the last video, y'all saw that I had 4 pair of sneakers come in. Today is the 5th pair that's from this vendor, and we finna unbox it. I already know what it is, obviously. I still got another pair of sneakers coming, some more Canada Goose jackets, and some Chrome Heart hoodies coming. As you can see right here, I still got them vapes from the last from the last video. But we finna get into this unboxing. The pair of sneakers that we finna unbox right now in this video does match the vape hoodie. I did order them together, kinda. I ordered all this shit in like a bulk order from multiple vendors. Once again, if you need vendors, my Instagram, my IG is in my channel description. So just click on my channel, click view channel, and then click the description. It should say more under there. And then my IG is at viral.content999. So go follow my Instagram. And if you need links, just send me a DM and we can work something out price-wise and then item-wise. But here goes that box. We finna get into this unboxing right now for y'all. I'm finna find my scissors and we finna get it started. As the other products come, because I got another pair of shoes, some more Canada Goose jackets on the way. Here go a Goose jacket right here. I think somebody trying to buy a Goose jacket right now. But here go a Goose jacket right here. I got like 3 more right here. And then I got like 2 in women's. I sell those, I buy them for like 70 each. Women's I pay like 120, 140. But the men's I pay like 70 to 85 each. And I sell them each for like 250 to 400 even. So that's good profit right there. With the vapes, I pay 70 each. The price on these, like this vape I have on right now, is from a different vendor. This is better quality than the one that I'm wearing, but the price is 20 bucks more. So I pay 70 for these, and I sell them at like 220, 150 to 220 to 250 maybe. And then with this one, I'll just keep it because it's not the best quality. But as far as the shit I sell, I only sell it if it's 1-to-1. But we finna get into this unboxing for y'all. And yeah, let's get started. So, on my scissors, cut into this box. And once again, like I said, I already know what this package is, so everything should be all good. But I'm really excited about this pair. I'm excited about the next pair that's coming too. Stay tuned, stay tapped into my videos because I know I'll be looking like to review a lot of these products and see the quality of them. And that's what I do. That's what I'm here for y'all. So like, comment, subscribe so I can continue to get more products in and we can run up a bag off this. And if we do that, then I can keep helping y'all out with reviews and links and stuff. But stop all that talking. Put that box out straight like that. So first we got bubble wrap. We got the Strangelove box right there. Boom. The box is fire off rip. You can see that you got the vein skull, the 3rd degree burn skull right there in the middle of the heart, right? The nose, the teeth, and everything. We got Nike SB on the back. We got the box. I didn't notice that the box just got ripped, but we good. We got the box right here with the tag and everything, and we finna get into this unboxing. All right, YouTube, I'm back. Like I said, we finna get into this unboxing right here. But yeah, we was into the size tags right here like that. So you can see Nike SB Dunk Low, size 11 men US. But we finna go ahead and unbox that joint. This is how it looks coming out the package. It's the laces with the Strangelove dunks. Boom. Wiggle that off, bro. So, it's the inside of the box. Nothing else came with it. But yeah. Here we go. Packaged up Strangeloves. We got the extra laces. We got Nike socks that the vendors be sending. I like 1,000 of them shits. We got extra white laces right here. Then we got the dunks in the plastic. I'm gonna pull them out the plastic for y'all, obviously. Toss the laces to the side. Boom. And here we got the dunks. These joints are so fire. So fire. We got the velvet. You see the material of the velvet. You see how it's moving like that. Right? All across the toe. The suede. I got gloves on, obviously, but look at the velvet on that Nike sign. It's busting. We got the Strangelove on the tongue right there. You see the insoles with skateboard. Red laces in. Size tag right there, size 11. Inside of the shoe. Show y'all the bottoms. Fire. Fire. Everything fire. As far as I can see a few stitching flaws right here. But I'm not mad about any of that because I'm going to wear these on feet. You do got the little logo right here, the little emblem. And yeah, I really like these. Once again, like I said earlier, I bought these to go with this Bape hoodie right here. But it's kind of like it's a little piece together, but they actually go really well. The bottom of the jacket matches really well. And I fuck with that. So we can piece that together and shit. Some black jeans or blue jeans. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. On the inside right here, it says Soul State. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom across the red like scroll. It says Soul State, but that's the insole. Then you got the the read off on the inside of the tongue, and it's stitched in. This tongue feels really good, really soft. Everything is velvet if you all can't tell, but this is the right shoe that I'm holding. I saw a flaw on the Nike sign that I wanted to get into, but right here at the tip top, there's a little flaw, and then there's a little couple flaws right here. I could probably clip it off or Dremel it down, or I might just leave it how it is because the shoe looks good on foot. But that is the right pair, the right shoe. Now, throw the plastic away because the legit ones don't come like that. But we got the Nike SB again. This tongue feels so soft, so thick. You know, dunk tongues always feel good for like skateboarding and shit. But with the velvet on there, it feels even better. Some dust on the shoe. But yeah, we got the suede, the velvet right here, velvet patch. We got the bottoms again. We got the outside Nike logo with the emblem right here. This emblem. I didn't show y'all the Nike on the back. That's how it looks. Just pair it up. And boom. That's how they look. Honestly, it's done pretty well. It's put together pretty well. The fonts, like of the ends, are a little bit different. This one is skinnier. All around, like the font is a little bit skinnier. This one is a little bit bulkier. Yeah, but it's not the worst. You know, I could get away with it on foot. And I like these a lot because the velvet and the colorways is so flashy. So these stuck. But that's pretty much it for the Strangelove review. These are the Strangelove Nike SB Dunks, US size 11. Prices on these are going crazy right now because it's such a hype shoe. It's such a fancy shoe. And Dunks, all Jordan 1 lows, Travis lows, all of those shoes are going crazy right now. So I had to grab me a pair for a summer pickup. If y'all watch my last video, you can see I got the Ben & Jerry's, I got the bandana Dunks Travis's, I got the Travis Scott Air Force Ones, the all white joints. So we had some pickups come through. What else? But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, keep ordering shit for y'all just so I can do reviews. But these is fire, bro. You see that toe box. You step in these, shit like a pair of panties or something. But that's these, the Strangelove Dunks. I'm gonna box them back up for y'all. The laces in there. They didn't come with any tissue paper, but that's them joints boxed up with the laces. We finna slip this box back. And Y'all got the whole Strangelove unboxing / review. I would try them on, but not right now. I'm gonna throw some like pics and shit. I'm gonna make a video of like me getting hella drippy with hella pics and shit. And then yeah, to show y'all how I put some of this shit together, how I style some of this shit. But like I said, we got the little bait right here. But yeah, or just throw these on with a white tee and they can still pop crazily. But that's about it for this unboxing for today. Once again, if y'all fuck with resale, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you will not miss when a video comes out. Also, once again, if you need vendor links, if you want products like these for these prices, you know, low prices, I did pay 90 bucks for these flat. But yeah, if you want the best quality at the best prices, just DM me on IG and I could give you a bunch of vendor links. But yeah, we got vapes. As you can see, I got 3 vapes right here. We got Montclairs, we got Canada Gooses. If y'all watch my last videos, you know we got Montclairs going crazy with the Palm Angel collab. We got hella sneaker videos coming soon. We got a lot of content dropping. So stay tuned, stay tapped in. That's why you gotta have post notifications on. And once again, if you need products, just DM me on IG. It's your boy Clout, it's your boy Resale. I'm out.